In today's video, I will walk you through how to add a background image in Power BI. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. Start by launching Power BI and opening your existing report. Make sure you're on the report page where you want to add the background image. Before changing any formatting, click on an empty area of the report canvas. This ensures that no specific chart or visual is selected and allows you to format the page itself. Next, look at the Visualizations pane on the right and click the Format Your Report Page icon. This opens the page-level formatting options that control how your report canvas looks. In the formatting options, find and expand the Canvas Background section. This is where you can add and customize your background image.
Under the Image option, click Browse or Add File, depending on your version of Power BI, and select the image you want to use. PNG or JPG files work well for backgrounds. For the best results, choose an image with an aspect ratio that matches your report canvas. After adding the image, look for the transparency setting. If the image appears hidden, the transparency may be set to 100%. Lower the transparency to 0% to make the image completely visible. You can also use a higher transparency value if you want the background to appear more subtle and keep your charts easier to read. Next, look for the Image Fit option. Fit scales the entire image so that it remains visible without cropping. Fill covers the entire canvas, but may crop parts of the image. Normal displays the image at its original size. Choose the option that works best for your report design. You can preview the result and adjust the transparency or image fit until your visuals remain clear and readable. If you want the same background across multiple report pages, repeat these steps on each page. And that's how to add a background image in Power BI. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.